Quick update on embeddable decent contracts. So we now have a live embed that works. So I have pasted inside of an iframe one of our iframe links. And so this is an example iframe that we can give to Adam Levy or any creator. And so let me show you what it looks like. So this is a Polygon NFT editions with a custom contract. And so we can take any edition link and just append iframe to the end, and then you will get an iframe. So we can click mint, it'll open up our transaction. We can then sign our mint transaction. And this one's a free NFT, so the price is 0. And when that transaction goes through on Polygon, I will have minted an actual NFT on Polygon using an iframe. So this will work on Bonfire and any other site. We get the nice little snack bar that pops up inside of the iframe. And so now let's take another link from a different NFT on Optimism. And we'll change out the iframe link with the Optimism Guerli NFT. Come back here, it reloads the data. We can see that the price is now being read as 0.0001 ETH. We click mint. First thing that should happen is it should switch us to the correct network. It does. We switch to the right network. Again, this is all inside of the iframe. We click mint on this one. Opens up our transaction. Has us sign the transaction on Optimism Guerli. We are paying the correct amount. We mint. Transactions are super fast on Optimism Guerli, and now we've minted on two different decent contracts just by changing our iframe link. So we now have functioning iframes. I have a pull request up. I will be submitting this link inside of our pull request channel. This is going directly into the minting studio, and whenever this gets merged, we will have iframes ready for any edition contract across the Decent stack. If you got any questions, let me know. This is Sweets, signing off.